Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to build inventory tracker in Excel. So I have this inventory tracker right here that I have just exported, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to make this smart. So we're going to apply different formulas here. So let's get started. Let's go ahead and basically add a filter here. And yeah, that is the first thing. So then let's go ahead and change the prices here. So the unit price, let's go ahead and make sure that this is set currency. Same thing here. There you go. Now that is working. Now another thing that we are going to do is we're going to go ahead and calculate the price. So this is the price right here. Let's go ahead and basically multiply this one to the quantity that we have. So this is going to be product, and then I'm going to copy this one, and there you go, 765,369 for the oops. And I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure that this is or the formula is copied to the rest. Alright, now that we have copied that formula, let's head over to the stock status right here. Right now these are just text, but we can definitely add a formula here. So what I can do is just go ahead and paste this one. Basically we are comparing the quantity and the reorder level to determine whether it is low stock or in stock. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hit enter here, and you can see if I am going to delete all of these, I can just go ahead and basically paste it here, and it's gonna determine and we can definitely change this one. Say for example in this case, a PC case, it's low stock, but if say for example we're gonna change this to 10, you can see that now it's in stock and the total value has changed as well. Now that we are done with that one, we can head over to the total value right here, and there's actually an auto sum feature here, so I can just go ahead and click this one and then hit enter, and you can see that now this is the total value of all of our inventory. Now that we are done with that, just one final thing. There are actually ways that you can sort them here depending on the needs. So you can sort them by smallest to largest, largest to smallest, and so on and so forth. So if say for example your concern is quantity and you want to see it right away, you can go ahead and sort this smallest to largest, and it is going to determine how many are there as of the moment. So yeah, that is how you're going to build a smart inventory tracker in Excel.